together with my partner, Miss Donna.
So everyone, yellow crown Amazon parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness.
That's right, and mimic is the puppy sound of what they hear every day.
So everyone, meet Lani and that one is Rudy. Now everyone, can you say hi? Miss Donna, what else they can mimic?
They can mimic the different sounds of animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog. And also they can mimic a telephone ringing and a whistle.
Okay, now let's have the rooster first. How about cat?
Okay, ready, can you bark?
They can also mimic telephone ringing and a whistle. So let's have the telephone. How about whistle? So Miss Donna, I hear that Lani and Rudy have a hidden talent.
Yes, they love to sing, but before they sing, they need to have a warm-up first.
Okay, but let's do the warm-up. Now for the first song. Again. Now for the second song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month? Alright, so happy birthday everyone. So listen very carefully, because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song. So a round of applause to our two little Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy.